Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot of cleaning motivation for you guys. We are doing a power hour, so we are going to get as many rooms clean as possible. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time seeing one of my videos, welcome and thank you for tuning in. I make lots of cleaning videos, organization videos, just anything mommy related. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, come join the family, subscribe, comment, and like this video because you're going to get all the motivation that you need. I even got hubby in on the act and joining in for the cleaning fun. But this is a really exciting video because I'm doing a collaboration with my YouTube sister, Fantasia from This Life of Mine. She is a wife and stay-at-home mama to her 3 beautiful babies. She also makes cleaning and organizing videos, anything pretty much mommy related as well. She is killing it in this YouTube game. And if you love my videos, you'll really enjoy her channel as well. So please go check out her video after watching mine and let her know that I sent you. Just give her a shout out, give her a subscribe, and definitely give her a like. She is really awesome. We met here on YouTube and we've been talking ever since. I love Fantasia's videos, so please check her out. I think you'll love her too. If you're visiting from Fantasia's channel, welcome and thank you for checking out my video. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family, so please consider subscribing and check out some of my other videos while you're here. So since I'm doing a power hour, I really wanted to focus on getting all the dishes clean and wiping off the countertop, so at least the kitchen would be somewhat picked up. So right now I'm just kind of putting up the clean dishes, emptying out the dishwasher so I can get those dishes out of the sink. So once I get the dishwasher full with as many dishes as I can fit in there, I usually just wash the rest of the dishes out by hand. So now I'm just going to clean out one side of the sink so I can just fill it up with soapy water and clean up those dishes, preserve the water, save the planet. I like to add a splash of vinegar in there just to kind of kill some germs. I don't have any bleach or anything like that, but I like to sanitize with some vinegar. So I like to let the dishes soak for a few minutes, kind of break down some of that grease and stuck on food. Then I'll clean out the other side of the sink, of course, so I can put the clean dishes on that side. Then I'll rinse and put them on the rack to dry.
If we keep our faith, sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot.
I know this is random, but I had to share. My Payless is going out of business in 2 weeks. My store will be closing, so they're practically giving shoes away. I got these cute little faux leather skips and these jean material skips for $10. I also got a pair of flip-flops. You'll see them really soon with a cute little bow. They're striped sandals. They were $10, guys, and they're pretty much negotiating the prices. If you think something is too high and you really want it, just ask for the manager. They're giving them away. I got a pair of sneakers for my son that was originally $30. They were on sale for $20 and I got them for $12 by just asking. Run to your local Payless store and get you some shoes. Now back to the cleaning video. So now hubby and I are straightening up the living room area. We've decided to get rid of all the kids' toys out of the living room area. This was turning into like a playroom jungle gym area and I'm kind of over it. So we got one small brown basket under the TV on that little stand. That's all the toys that the kids can have in the living room. Everything else has to go into their room and in the garage. They do spend a lot of time playing with toys in the garage. I asked hubby to help me so we could kind of tag team this area and get it done really quickly. So he's vacuuming and he's gonna vacuum behind the couch and get that mirror. So I'm so glad we moved the couch because as you can clearly see, it needed to be vacuumed. Papers always slip back there for some reason. I have no idea. No one really puts papers on the couch, so how papers end up behind the couch is only God knows, but I'm glad we actually moved and got back there. So I decided to go ahead and prep for dinner. Right now I'm defrosting some chicken. Here's a hack for you guys. If you add some lemon juice or lime juice to your water while you're defrosting your meat, it will defrost in minutes instead of hours. Now hubby is sorting through our mail. We are still struggling with a mail sorting system. How do you guys keep up with your mail clutter? Please help me. So I had to show you guys all of the fingerprints on my television because my son is apparently a part of the TV show. I don't know. He just thinks that he needs to touch all his favorite characters. So I am forever cleaning fingerprints off of the television. You hear them calling, shouting your name. So now I'm just using some Clorox wipes to clean off the table because again, my son and his sticky fingers likes to climb on them. That's actually how he reaches the TV. After that, I'm going to fold a load of laundry that I'll probably put away sometime in the next 2 to 3 weeks. You know how we do with laundry, ladies. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? So now I'm cleaning the second playroom of the house, aka my bedroom. My son has a little basket here. In every room, my son has a small basket of toys. So I'm just cleaning up his toys and his blocks right now. And I am going to clean up all those dirty Pampers that I'm surrounded by right now. Don't judge me. Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful. Just the way you guys, I am on the hunt for a new comforter set. I'm looking for something with decent quality, but that's not too expensive. Everything that I see that I kind of like is like $200 and up, and I'm just not about that life right now. So if you have any suggestions on where I can get something with decent quality but not super expensive, breaking the bank, let me know in the comments below. So here's some real mom life for you. Here's my little co-host. He's usually actually making a mess when I'm trying to clean, but this is pretty much how it goes on a daily basis.
Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life.
You guys, what do you do with your wedding dresses? Where do you store them? I see some people have theirs out on a dress form on display. I thought about that, but I don't know exactly where I would put it. I don't want it in my bedroom, and I don't have like a glam room. But what do you do with your dresses? So I found these over-the-door hooks at Aldi's. They were $5 for 4 hooks, and I'm going to use them on my closet door to hang my robes.
Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine.
So on a daily basis, I have to do a little tidy of my master bathroom. I really should just leave my dirty clothes hamper in here because I always take my clothes off and leave it on the floor. I'm gonna be honest. I always leave my makeup in the sink. So I usually try to do a daily, or if not daily, every other day tidy of the bathroom.
Make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life.
So if you made it to this point of the video, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you for watching the entire video. Guys, if you love cleaning motivational videos, if you love organizational videos, if you just love mommy related videos, please subscribe to my channel. I have so much more to come, and I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment below. I love interacting with you guys. I love meeting new people. Excuse my son in the background. He wants to help me end the video. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the silly